Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of New Year Success Kit, which launches on the 10th of January at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through my first new release of 2025, along with my launch partner Ronnie Rokk Smith, who some of you may remember. He's a marketer that's been around for a while. Previously had launches with Brendan Mason, John O'Armstrong, but he took a little bit of a siesta from the industry for a couple of years, and he's back fully refreshed. So great to have him with me on this launch. So what's New Year Success Kit all about? Well, it's everything that you could need at a super low price to get 2025 off to the best possible start for you and your business. So what's included inside it? Well, for a start, we're going to give you some free traffic. So you'll be able to send traffic to any URL of your choice from 10 different traffic sources, and that traffic will carry on every single day throughout the whole year, throughout the whole of 2025. Next, we're going to show you how you can take advantage of all new innovations in AI that come up in 2025. We know it's going to be another massive year for AI. Things are really moving on apace, and we're going to show you how to identify new products and opportunities as they come on board, not just for yourself, but how you can also monetize, crucially, those opportunities when they come around. We're also going to show you somewhere where you can completely free of charge earn recurring monthly incomes every single month. Set it up once and then forget about it. And we're also going to show you places where you can get all of the tools that you could possibly need to run your business, either for free or for virtually free. We're talking things like autoresponders, we're talking things like page builders, we're talking things like mailers, all sorts of every sort of tool that you could possibly need. We will show you some places where you can get all of these great tools for, as I said, virtually nothing, or in some cases, in fact in most cases, completely free. And we've got another special training from Ronnie himself called Ronnie's Brain Busters, which you're absolutely going to love. And really, we're just scratching the surface. There's actually loads more in it as well. We've got free squeeze pages and other resources that you can use. And so if you pick this up during the launch period and get in at the front end price of $7.95, I can guarantee it's going to be the biggest bargain that you pick up all year long. Absolutely guarantee. Promise you that. Right, so if that sounds great, then listen on to this review, and you can pick up the bonuses that go with it, because we've even got some bonuses, by clicking on any of these green buttons here any time before this countdown timer reaches 0. So let's have a quick look. We're going to show you obviously inside the members area, and we'll have a look at the sales funnel as well. Confirmation of that price, just $7.95. Our best ever start to New Year Success Kit. Make 2025 the year you achieve all your goals with our amazing package. No experience, email list or tech skills required. A huge daily free traffic package to kick off 2025 in style. How to use AI to succeed in 2025. How to earn money throughout 2025 doing the work only once. How to get all the best online tools for free or next to free, and no experience needed. Okay, so we'll come back and go through obviously everything, but first just let's have a look at these bonuses. So when you click on the link below, you'll come through to this page here. This video will be in here. This is what we've just gone through. What's New Year Success Kit all about? And you can watch the sales video either here or on the sales page. Bonuses that we're throwing in: Puma products, a great product that's going to teach you the exact method that I use to create my own products, 2 products a month, how you can avoid procrastination and get things done and be as prolific as me at churning products out at that speed. AI Infinite Income Hub, great product that I launched with Sandra Hawley, showing you great tips and tricks that you can use with AI. Super Fast List, product that, as the title suggests, shows you how you can build an email list super fast. Membership Madness, great product that I launched with Darren Brown, teaches you how to monetize free to join membership sites. And the gold standard, a great product with Arinzi Gold that shows you how you can use video to get great free traffic from YouTube without ever having to put your face on camera. So all of those are included. So let's go back and have a quick look at the sales page. Not going to go through all of it, but I will just show you a few things. There's myself and Ronnie Rokk Smith. Obviously do have a look and read through all of this, but I just wanted to show you, obviously I said that there's traffic included. Now some of that traffic is courtesy of a brand new rotator from a brand new traffic source that we've identified just for this launch. So that particular rotator is currently lying empty. So the quicker that you pick up your copy of this and get your URL on that rotator, the better for you, because it means that you won't be competing with other people's links, because that rotator is lying empty right now, just waiting for you to add your link to it. We also include traffic from 9 other sources from other traffic products that we released in the last year. They are Big Monster Traffic, Big Traffic Bundle, Black Friday Traffic, Bundled Up for Christmas 24, Dinosaur Traffic, Big 10 Traffic, Place Your Link 24, our bestseller, Atomic Traffic, Tornado Traffic, and that's it. Those are your 10 traffic sources. And as I said, we've got all of the other stuff that's included as well. Bonuses. Bonus number one's actually Puma products. That graphic is wrong there. AI Infinite, Income Hub, Superfast List, Membership Madness, and the Gold Standard. What's included, as I said, all of the traffic plus video training modules on succeeding with AI in 2025, video training modules on monthly income success, video training modules on how to get free essential tools, and as I said, Ronnie's Brain Busters. So we'll go and have a look in that membership area now, show you where everything is. So when you come into your members area, see a welcome from me. You'll see an explanation of what these buttons are when you watch the video. Also, make sure that you do subscribe to this YouTube channel here, because we do various updates on it. An introduction from Ronnie. There he is, Ronnie the Rockstar, as he likes to call himself. Do subscribe to Ronnie's YouTube channel as well. He does a lot of training on there, actually more free training than I do. So you really do want to subscribe to that and join his Facebook page as well, and get in touch with him. And then we've got an overview, short overview for you to watch here. And then we go into the main training. So it's split into sections. The first section is all about sorting your traffic out. So we get you to submit your URL to us and get your traffic up and running. And then we've got modules that show you how you can succeed with AI in 2025. And then regular monthly income, we've got a course here. And then your essential toolkits. Again, we've got various videos here that teach you all about that. And then we've got Ronnie's Brain Busters, which is another great video, about 20 minutes long, loads and loads of tips and tricks. And we've even got more resources for you down here. So absolutely superb. Your bonuses, obviously, if you want to access any of those, you just click on them and click through to them. In terms of the pricing, just $7.95. Really giving it away because we want everyone to have this success kit, because personally with my Elite Tigers group, I wasn't happy with the number of people that made a breakthrough from my clients in 2024, and I want to get much better results for everyone during the coming year, so I'm trying to do everything that I can to make things as easy as possible for them. We've got a pro version for $37, which again I strongly recommend. We've reduced that from our usual one-time offer OTO1 price down $10 to $37. We'll supercharge your results with 5 more links for all 10 rotators. So instead of just a single URL on those 10 traffic rotators, you'll actually be able to put 5 more. So 6 in total. Just think about that for a minute. 6 different URLs promoting anything you want that are all going to get traffic every day. So that's the first bit of the pro version. Plus we've got advanced training and more goodies. We've got a load of free promo codes for you for various websites. We've got advanced training in like email marketing, traffic generation, video creation, all of this sort of stuff is all included in there. We've also got lots of different free tools that we're providing you with directly that you can use. So it really is, again, everything in this release is absolutely loaded with stuff, way more than we usually give. Exclusive Pro Rotator. Now this is as the title suggests, this is a rotator that's only for people that buy this upsell. So in other words, obviously you can pick up this front end and your URL will go on the New Year Success Kit rotator along with everyone else that buys this. If you pick up the Pro version, then your 5 extra links will go on the rotator along with everyone that's bought the front end and everyone that's bought this Pro version. But if you pick up this exclusive Pro rotator, then you will only be sharing this rotator with people that have purchased this particular upsell. So in other words, none of these links from people that have bought the front end will be on it. None of these links from people that have bought the Pro version will be on it. Only the people that have purchased this particular upsell. So it's a great exclusive opportunity with a lot more hits per user than any of the others. Reseller rights for $47. You can pick up this product and sell it as if it was your own, keep 100% of the commissions. Monthly Rotator Club, this is a great one for those who love passive earnings opportunities. We're going to give you a new passive earnings opportunity from one of my previous products every single month of the year. Again, there's nothing, although it's called Monthly Rotator Club, it's not a monthly fee. You only pay this once. And then every month you get a new passive earnings opportunity that's completely hands off. All you have to do each month is to send us a single Warrior Plus link and we'll do all the rest. And I'm still running for not much longer my Elite Academy Black Friday bundle offer, which gives you a chance to get into both of my 2 high ticket programs, the Elite Academy, which is usually priced at $997, and Passive Income Academy, which is usually priced at $597. The 2 combined, $497. It's the ultimate package deal. So that's pretty much it, folks. If you want to pick all of these up and get these bonuses before the countdown timer reaches 0, click any of these green buttons. I'm not going to give this a star rating because obviously it's my own product. It's for other people to do that. So I just want to thank you for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on that link below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you'll get informed when I bring out new content on this channel. Until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of New Year Success Kit.